If you want to remove a payment method from CapCut, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is updated. Step 1. Open CapCut. Launch the CapCut app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account where the payment method is saved. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the settings gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to payment methods. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled payment methods or billing. Tap on this option to view your saved payment methods. Step 4. Select payment method to remove. Find the payment method you want to remove. There should be an option next to it, such as remove or delete. Tap on this option. Step 5. Confirm removal. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the payment method. Confirm your choice to complete the process. After following these steps, your payment method will be successfully removed from CapCut. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the app's help section or contacting customer support for assistance.